Well, it's Friday. Friday's winding down. I have no idea where I'm at in this vlog. This is going to be sort of like yesterday's where it jumps back and forth because I had big plans. I had it all planned out. The morning started out because it was a work day. Oh, first of all, yeah, so Sue went into work with me. Well, she went into her work. So she was there like 3 hours earlier or something. And so she's really tired. So she's staying home. I posted on all my social media stuff that I was gonna do airplane questions and answers today. Anything aviation oriented. I had really high hopes. I'm kind of in a airplane kind of mood today. I have no idea why. So I reached out on the interwebs and I asked all my friends, ask me an airplane-related question. I really thought people would be, loading me down with questions. But this is all I got. Likes and really kind of disappointed. Nobody had an airplane question. I don't get it. Here's my view before I leave. So now I have to come up with something. And I'm sure I will because it's Friday. And I'm just leaving Nanaimo and going to the airport. So, figure it out. The hair is doing better though. Hello. It's a long way down. Wish I had a penny. I dropped my card. No. All right. I've only gone down 2 flights. Let's do this. Now we go back up. Just kidding. That would be hard. Good day, good day. Thanks. You guys have a good weekend. I'll do my best. We'll see you next week. And now I'm home and it's Friday night. I'm fired up. Okay, I'm not fired up. But I'm just, not gonna go out. Pen. I feel a whole lot better now. You can't let the little failures get you down. It's not all the end of the world. Or nothing. Bad timing, I suppose, but I think every plan A deserves a plan B. They agree. So, I'm going to a place that may fix my problems. I have no idea. There's nothing wrong with that. Good news to anyone, if you're going to Thrifty's at 9 o'clock at night, no lineup.